Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to make a FlipGrid video. First of all, you want to click on the period that you belong to, and that's going to take you to the correct home page. So if you're in period 1, you just click here, take you to the link. You want to join with your Google account. So once you are all logged in, oh look, here I am in period 1. You'll just scroll down. Oh, here's some more information. If you get stuck, then I have some questions that'll prompt you. And then at the very bottom, you're going to click this green plus button to record a response. Yep, you want to use the microphone and camera. I'm going to hit allow. And then here I am. I'm going to record a video just by clicking this thing. Hey everyone. And I'm going to talk about either a plant or an animal or my map or read part of my story. So I'm so excited to hear what you have to say and for us to share our work together. So thanks so much, and I'll talk to you later. Okay, see you soon. Bye.